under human's hand. Especially with a child's creativity, Cat easily becomes adorable.
Please let go of me. Okay, you know what? Seriously, this is not gonna work. We're breaking up. We're breaking up. We're breaking up. We're breaking up.
I can't think of a more reasonable explanation than the fact that he's possessed.
Girl, it is not time for...
Little do you know, cats have spas too, and their skills are just unmatched. No matter how thorough your planning, Paul's Thief is still running smoothly. Again, can you ever make a Christmas tree that stays up just once?
So I started putting Christmas presents under the Christmas tree because I have them wrapped and why not? And little Miss Baby over here has decided that because Mom is putting Christmas presents under the Christmas tree, she also needs to put presents under the Christmas tree.
Christmas candy comes in many shapes, but it definitely doesn't glow kitty.
Okay, I'll stop.
All things fabulous. We're gonna build a nest. I need a little fabulous to help me get along.
He's all I got in this
I know that look, and it's definitely not one of admiration.
that I'll ever need. He fills the air. Jesus, won't you sunshine it? Okay. Won't you sunshine it?
Santa Claus better be careful when visiting this house. There's a Christmas hater here. Must be an amateur there. Next time, plan your heist better, buddy.
Every day you bite me. See? That's ugly. Willie, you're done.
Just as expected. It's so hard to start a combo between cats. ordinary boyfriend around his girl. It just couldn't resist.
Not everything I take a picture of is you.
If plants could talk, they'd be screaming. Told him to look away, but he heard make a mess instead.
His neck.
Dude! Cause this.
Puppy, this isn't quite what people mean by ice skating. Someone skipped Gentle High Fives 101. Me trying to leave the house, but my dog has other plans. When you're losing, so you'll put out the "you're surprised" tactic. SOS! These two are plotting world domination, starting from my bed.
What you doing, boys?
The hardest thing in the world must be refusing to cuddle with Kitty. This cat is a good dancer when she has a great sense of music.
She's okay, Mom.
Humans' mental health is important too, and this cat knows how to save it.
El seguridad de esta tienda se llama Pedro. Él está viendo su pantalla de seguridad, quién entra a la tienda, quién sale, sobre todo si hay gente que se roba cosas. Está trabajando.
Imagine living with owner for years and a stranger shows up. That caution makes sense.